The question we are going to discuss today is, with respect to a bunkering on board, describe bunkering arrangements with safety fittings provided, remote set of arrangements, the use of the oil record book, bunker delivery note. Let's start with the first part, bunkering arrangements with safety fittings provided. Bunkering arrangements with safety fittings provided on board a ship typically includes the following. Bunker manifold. The bunker manifold is a piping system that connects the ship's fuel tank to the bunker station. It typically includes valves, a pressure gauge, and a sampling point. The manifold must be designed to withstand the high pressures that can occur during bunkering. Bunker hoses. Bunker hoses are flexible hoses that connect the bunker manifold to the fuel station. They are typically made of high-quality materials that can withstand the harsh marine environment, such as oil-resistant rubber. The hoses must be properly rated for their intended use and should be fitted with the safety breakaway couplings to prevent spillage in case of accidental disconnection. Emergency shutdown system. An emergency shutdown system is a safety feature that can quickly shut off the bunker fuel supply in case of emergency. This system typically includes an emergency stop button and an automatic shut-off valve. Vapor return system. The vapor return system is designed to capture any vapors that are released during bunkering and return them to the fuel storage tank. This system helps to reduce the risk of fire and explosion during bunkering operations. Vent system. The vent system is designed to prevent the buildup of pressure in the fuel tank during bunkering. It typically includes pressure or vacuum valves that allow for the release of excess pressure or vacuum. Overfill prevention system. An overfill prevention system is a safety feature that prevents the bunker tank from being overfilled during bunkering. It typically includes an alarm that sounds when the fuel level reaches a predetermined level and an automatic shut-off valve. Let's move to the next part, remote shut-off arrangements. Remote shut-off arrangements typically includes emergency stop button or switches located at strategic points on the supply vessel and the receiving vessel. These buttons or switches are connected to the fuel transfer system, and when activated, they immediately stop the flow of fuel. In addition to emergency stop buttons or switches, other remote shut-off arrangements that may be installed during bunkering operations include the quick release couplings, which enable the separation of the fuel transfer hoses quickly and safely, and automatic shut-off valves, which detect abnormal conditions such as a hose rupture and automatically shut the fuel flow. The crew members who are responsible for bunkering operation must be trained in the use of remote shut-off arrangements and understand the procedures to follow in the event of an emergency. Regular drills and exercises should be conducted to ensure that the crew members are prepared to respond to any emergency that may arise during the bunkering operation. By implementing remote shut-off arrangements and training the crew members in their use, the risk of incidents during bunkering operations can be significantly reduced. Let's move to the next part, the use of the oil record book. The oil record book is a logbook that contains a detailed record of all bunkering operations that take place on board the ship. It is used to record the amount of fuel received or transferred, the type of fuel, and the location of the bunkering operation. The ORB also records other important information such as the names of the supplier and the receiver, the date and time of the operation, and any spills or leakages that occurred during the process. The oil record book serves as an important tool for monitoring the ship's fuel consumption, which is crucial for managing the vessel's operation and ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. It also helps ship's operator to detect any irregularities in the bunkering process and take corrective actions to prevent potential incidents. The oil record book is an important tool in ensuring that ships comply with international regulations governing the prevention of marine pollution. The information recorded in the oil record book can be used by port state control authorities to verify compliance with MARPOL and also be used as evidence in legal proceedings in the event of an oil spill or other pollution incidents. Let's move to the next part, bunker delivery note. A bunker delivery note or BDN is a document used in the bunkering process on board a ship. It is a legal document that serves as evidence of the quantity and quality of fuel delivered to a vessel during a bunkering operation. The BDN is issued by the bunker supplier and is signed by both the supplier and the receiver of the fuel. The BDN contains important information such as the name of the vessel, the date and time of the delivery, the type and quantity of fuel delivered, and the name and the address of the bunker supplier. The BDN also includes details on the characteristics and quality of the fuel such as its density, viscosity, sulfur content, and flash point. The purpose of the BDN is to provide an accurate record of the bunker operation and to ensure that the quality and quantity of fuel delivered to the vessel are in accordance with the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships and other applicable regulations. The BDN is a legal document, and failure to provide or maintain an accurate BDN can result in fines, penalties, or legal action against the supplier or the vessel.